I'm VLBRIDGES, and today I'm going to teach you a little bit about stock investing. Now, I'm not much of a stock investor, and in fact, last year I lost $21,000. And I had been posting that people should invest in mutual funds. I feel like that's a safer place to play. And I still kind of feel that way myself now. But this very wealthy investment person, Ryan Caliguiri, he contacted me. And he gave me some tips on investing in individual stocks. And since my main purpose is to help everybody, I thought, hey, maybe he knows what he's doing. He seems to be pretty wealthy. So let me pass on some of that information to you. And his name again is Ryan Caliguiri. So I didn't want to let this information out without giving him credit for it. And I asked him ahead of time before I put this out, and he said it would be fine with him. Okay. Determine the target price you will get out at, high and low, of the stock price. That means when it hits a certain price, you're going to sell it no matter what. And if it starts dropping at a certain price, you're going to sell it at no matter what. Never risk more than 2% of your total account on any one company. Well, it looks to me like you're going to have quite a bit of money to get anywhere if you can only just invest 1 or 2%. I mean, your average people, $5,000 is quite a chunk of money. So if you only invested 1 or 2% of $5,000, that wouldn't be too much. But that's what he says. So take it for what it is. If you're going to invest in stocks, this man seems to know what he's talking about. So let's go with it, give him the benefit of the doubt. Use a stop loss on every one of your trades. That sounds like good advice to me. Use a stop loss. Use technical analysis to determine where the stock has been and key resistance and support levels. I used to do that for years myself, but there's all kinds of online websites that will give you all that information for free. But it didn't pay off for me last year. I lost $21,000. And I got kind of burnt out on stocks, and I'm more for mutual funds myself now. But this man says you can still make a lot of money in stocks. So it's our decisions. It's what I've always said. And what's right for me might not be right for you. So if you're going to be investing in stocks, then I'm trying to give you the information that will help you succeed. Research the company's fundamentals at least once a week to forecast any changes. So there's in like Yahoo Finance, they tell what the company's statements are and what kind of news is going on with the company and things like that. So you can check it into it, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I made money, and then all of a sudden I started losing money hand over fist, and sometimes it can get away from you. But a mutual fund to me is more safer, and because it invests in like 100 or more than 100 companies at a time, and it seems like that diversifies your risk. But Ryan seems to think that you can make more money in stocks, and from what I see from these videos and stuff, he seems like he's a pretty wealthy guy. So it's kind of it's a decision, it's a choice. What's right for me not be right for you, or what's right for you might not be right for me, or we might both agree. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to give you the best advice from the best people I can find on every single subject that I can. Whether it be finances, health, physical fitness, whatever the subject is, I'm going to find the best people. And I'm going to make this the best channel on YouTube. That's my promise to you. So until next time, God bless.